welcome back. So we're making our turkey. So this is a turkey inside. This has apple cider vinegar
and the brine.
And the brine. This is a turkey, and she has toasted bread to make the what do you call it? Stuffing.
I have the stuffing.
Stuffing. Ground beef, celery, and cilantro, onions, and some pepper, pear, and an apple. It came really good, and some rice, mashed potatoes, and got 2, and then this is for the turkey, and we have the oven bags, and she's making her own gravy. So yeah, and this is what we use for the turkey, apple cider vinegar. Hey guys, so right here I'm gonna do a voiceover because my mom's doing she's doing her own gravy. Excuse me, she's doing her own gravy, so she's gonna show you how to do it. She just pulled that stuff that she's holding out of the turkey, and she drained it to in the pot where the turkey was, and it's just to make her own gravy, because we do our own gravy. We don't actually go buy the gravy, and it came out really good. So she's just showing you how. And then over here you have to wash out because it has vinegar, so we don't want it to taste like vinegar. So she just put it in a pot, and she just washed all of this. You have to wash it with water so you can take the vinegar out. And then just put some onion, any onion, doesn't really matter which one, and just spread it in there, and you know, it comes out really good. But you know, you can go ahead and buy your own stuff, and then after this she just pops it in the oven and it's good to go. Alright guys, so now mom's showing how she uses to butter the turkey. We use the country rock butter, so she's just going to melt that in the microwave, and here it is, melted, nice and steamy and hot. You can use any butter you want. We use the country one, and we use this Sprout organic turkey rub. We got it at Sprouts. It's really good, and these are the ingredients that the turkey rub has. We always buy this turkey rub when we go to Sprouts because it's really good. Some of the powder of the turkey rub has a lot of like salt and stuff like that, and this one is organic, so this one's actually pretty good. And she just put like the amount she thinks it's good. I don't know how many she did, but she just poured it in there, stir it, and then after that it's gonna cool. We have to let the butter cool down for a little bit, so it cools down. Yeah, so she keeps adding the turkey rub, and yeah, that's how our turkey, we put butter in there. Kind of different. I don't know if you guys do it that way, but yeah. So I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, okay, so this is, we use this butter, the Country Crock Original. So she just melted the butter and she put this turkey rub. We get this at Sprouts, it's organic. It's really good. And this is what it has right here. And she just put like an amount, and this is what we're going to rub the turkey with. Butter and this organic turkey rub. So we're just waiting for this to cool down because it's too hot. And yeah, so we use this one, Sprouts. Really recommend this one. This is really good. And I'll see you guys in a little bit when we are washing the turkey. Alright guys, so mom's gonna show you here how to make our stuffing. We make our stuffing. So she's just toasted some bread, like 8 pieces of bread, and she just put them in a bowl, and she cuts with her fingers. Nothing fancy, no knife or anything. So toasted 8 breads and put them in a pot, and now she just boiled some chicken broth. And it's just chicken broth, normal chicken broth, and she's putting it in the bread so the bread gets nice and soggy. So just add like chicken broth. You can just buy the cans already at the store, chicken broth. So she's just pouring the chicken broth in there, and the bread just gets soggy, and it's just so good. So just add everything in there, and with the spoon, just like, you know what she's doing, so all the bread gets nice and soggy. And yeah, so this comes out really good. I really like how it comes out. Okay, so this is what we use for our stuffing. We add water because we have to cook the beef, and we use this type of beef to use our stuffing. We always been using this beef for a very long time. She likes to do her own stuffing. We don't actually use the other stuffing because we're so used to eating this. Yeah, so this is I don't know how many pounds is this, but it's the huge meat. So yeah, so she just cooks it with water, and then after it's nice and cooked, then she starts to put some oil in there, start putting all the ingredients. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so now that the beef is cooked, she just drains the water and the fat, and she just put it into the boil, and then she added some pears, some apples, and some celery, and some all the ingredients. I don't remember that good, but she does add pears and apples. It's really good. Probably you guys don't do this, but if you guys have the chance to try this stuffing, it is really, really good. It doesn't taste like apple or pears. It doesn't taste actually like anything. It just tastes like beef. So this is really what she puts. She's been doing this for a long time, and she adds carrots and apples and all that good stuff. So yeah, so this is what it all looks. I mean, it looks good. So yeah, and it's just mix it together until everything is nice and cooked. Alright guys, so this is me. I'm going to wash the turkey. So we took it out of the big pot where it had vinegar and stuff. So now I'm just washing it because we have to take all the vinegar and all that stuff that it was inside. So you have to wash it really good, and you know, open the wings and wash it really good. Wash inside of it. Yeah, it's like you're washing a baby. So I love doing this. I always do it when we do Thanksgiving because I love washing the turkey, and I'm not afraid. Just stick your hand in there and just, you know, wash it. Just take all that apple vinegar and just wash it really good. And yeah, so this is me washing the turkey, and yeah, so don't be afraid to wash the turkey. Excuse the size of this. My mom was filming, and she was filming like the wrong way, but yeah, so just showing you how to wash it and stuff like that. So wash it really good. So yeah. Alright, so now that the turkey is washed and all the vinegar is out, we are going to be buttering it up with the butter that we melted and we put on the turkey rub. So she's just rubbing it really good all inside, inside the wings, and this makes it really juicy and it doesn't make it dry. And yeah, just put all of it and turn it around, do it on the sides and on the back and inside the wings and inside where the stuffing goes. And yeah, so just, you know, it's like you're washing it. You're washing a baby. Or maybe putting lotion, I don't know. So yeah, so this is what we do, and it comes out nice and juicy. So yeah, so we just stand him up and put butter inside too. And that's how we make our turkey. Finally, you guys, the turkey was ready. It took literally like forever. Look how beautiful it looks, so good, tasty, and yeah, so it's nice and cooked. And we put a little stuffing inside, and the little button that I had, it popped up and it's ready. And we're gonna cut it open and look at the beautifulness of this beautiful turkey. It was delicious. It came out so juicy. Oh my goodness, I ate too much, and it was so good. So yeah, so easy to do the turkey. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of this delicious turkey. Hey guys, so I just ate my Thanksgiving dinner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, making the turkey and making the mashed potatoes, the salad, everything that we do for Thanksgiving. And I'm really stuffed right now. I ate so much. It was so delicious. It was good. And happy Thanksgiving to my subscribers. Hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving and eat lots of turkey. And put a big thumbs up in this video and subscribe to my channel. And I want to say that I'm very thankful for my health, and I'm losing a lot of weight, and I'm gonna keep going my journey. Thanks to you guys for all your support that you guys comment. I love that from you guys. That just keeps me motivating more to lose more weight. I'm thankful for my parents. I'm thankful for my brother and sister. I'm thankful for myself. I'm thankful for my family. Thankful that I'm healthy. I don't have like health issues. And I'm just thankful for the world. And yeah, so yes, I'm just thankful for you guys and for the whole family. And yeah, that's all I wanted to say. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, big thumbs up, and press that bell notification so you guys don't miss one of my videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.